How to pin app on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. Open the Reset Application button on your device and tap the app icon. If you find the pin app option, that means enable app pin on your device. If you can't find it, you need to enable app pinning on your device. You can use app pin feature to only access specific application. So whenever you give your phone to your friend or family member on only access specific app, you need to use this feature. Let's see how it works on enable. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap the security and privacy. Now again scroll down. Tap on a more security settings in the additional security settings section. Tap on a more security settings. Now again scroll down, and at the bottom and you can find the pin app option. Tap on it. Now toggle on the option. Now you can also enable use screen lock type to unpin. So make sure to toggle on this option. You need to set up your screen lock first. Now go back. Now tap the reset application and tap the app icon. You want to use app pinning. Now you can see pin this app option. Tap on it. Now app is pin message. Tap on OK. Now app pin at the bottom middle. Now you can only access this screen on your device like this. You can only access this screen. When you go back to screen, you can see to unpin this app, touch and hold the reset and back button at the same time to access any other screen. You can't access any other screen. Even you tap the home button, reset button anywhere. To exit this screen or unpin the application, long press the reset button and back button at the same time, and you can see app unpin. Now when you press the home button or back button, you can go to any screen. So quite helpful feature to use specific one app on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.